Are you serious? Are you serious, folks? We have breaking news coming out of Indonesia. 2 back-to-back powerful earthquakes. One a 6.2, the other one a 6.0. 2 powerful earthquakes registered in Indonesia. Now, this is of concern because it really rocked the ring of fire. Matter of fact, these 2 powerful earthquakes, magnitude 6.2 and then again 6.0, registered on the Richter scale of the U.S. Geological Survey, shook Indonesia in less than an hour, within just minutes of each other. The first one hitting at 10:06 a.m., the second one at 10:32 a.m. Powerful earthquakes caused a rolling effect, some damage to a temple, stones and bricks falling off the temple, and some more damage to some other structures. But we don't have any reports of injury or casualties, and we're hoping that there is going to be none of those. But a temple was rocked in Indonesia, rocking it and breaking down some of the bricks and part of the building collapsing, and then part of some other homes also being cracked in the foundations and different things. So powerful earthquakes. It rocked the ring of fire, and we're going to see a lot of this today. Now, today's a big day. We're going to have John Moore, the man that brought us the pole shift, understanding of the pole shift and the water's rising, the pole shift and how high is the water rising. We're going to be showing his map that was revealed to him in an Army intelligence briefing back when he was in the U.S. Army intelligence, that was brought out initially to talk about Nibiru, Planet X, and the effects it will have on our planet, including a major pole shift causing the sea waters to rise. And then they announced that's why they would be building underground cities in the Colorado Rockies, and that other nations would also be doing similar events. And that's exactly what we see happen. Well, John is going to be with us. He was at Cincinnati. He was one of the speakers at that great Cincinnati conference. He'll be joining us at 12 noon Eastern today. Then we're going to get the expertise information from Stan Deyo on Cascadia and other danger hotspots in the world for volcanoes, earthquakes, and also some military situation. His feel on Iran. What does this mean with Saudi Arabia, Israel, and the United States? John Bolton's gone. Mike Pompeo says it's an act of war. What does the President of the United States say as it relates to that? All of that. Plus, I want to get his feel for this, the earth pulling apart and the pole shifts and the things that are happening that are certainly affecting the planet. We want to get all of that. And how vulnerable are we of an EMP attack from North Korea, Russia, China, or some other world leader in this technology? And then tonight, 10 p.m., we'll be live with Mike from around the world to talk about the 5 waves of energy. And Australia, Cascadia, Italy, volcanoes, and the military situations, the intensity in the Middle East. We're going to try to get that and more out of Mike from around the world tonight. 5 waves of energy. Where are we now? The earth is shaking. The earth is quaking. Are you saved? Give your life to Jesus Christ. He's coming soon.